You have a trial account. You can remove. Is this Tassim?
Yes.
Hello, this is Eliana calling from Furnace Store. I'm reaching out to confirm the pre-order you recently placed in to verify the details for delivery. May I have a moment of your time?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. I see that you pre-ordered a wooden dining table with a quantity of 1. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes.
Great. Are you still planning to purchase this item?
Yes.
Thank you for confirming. Can I confirm your delivery address is New York? Is this correct?
Can I change my address?
I can help you with that, but I need to confirm your order first. Would you like to proceed with the current order and then provide the new address?
Yes, okay. I confirmed the order.
Thank you for confirming your order with the Furnace Store. We'll process it shortly. Now, could you please provide the new delivery address?
Yes, my new address will be Northridge, California.
Thank you for providing the new address. Just to confirm, your delivery address is now Northridge, California. Is that correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Lastly, could you please confirm your email address for us? Is it altasim.at@gmail.com?
Yeah, that's correct.
Thank you for confirming your email address. Your order for the wooden dining table will be processed and delivered to Northridge, California. We'll keep you updated on the status. If you have any further questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. So basically, this was an AI voice caller for pre-order confirmations. It is designed to help businesses confirm orders with customers automatically. This is how it works basically. When an item is out of stock on a website, and the customer can pre-order that item, but it might even take more than a week or a month for the item to get available on the website. So in the meanwhile, the customer might even forget about the item that they pre-ordered. So here comes the AI voice caller who will call the customer immediately when the item gets in the stock. So the AI caller basically solves the problem by calling the customer as soon as the item is back on the stock to confirm the order. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make this AI voice caller for free and use it to save more time in your business and call multiple customers at the same time and bring more efficiency to your business. So before we get started, I am Dustin. I run an AI agency where I help businesses become more efficient and grow by implementing automations. My goal is to help companies save more time and reduce manual work and focus on what really matters. So let's get started. So from here, I'm going to explain all the instructions that you need to make this AI voice assistant. So I will go step by step and explain all the scenarios on how you can make this. So I'm going to talk about the advantages first. So the first one is it will eliminates the need for manual customer calls. So basically, you don't have to call individually all the customers, because this will take a lot of time calling one by one to all the customers, where this AI voice assistant will call at least 10 customers at a time. So this will minimize a lot of time and also bring more leverage to your company. And yeah, and this will also satisfy your customers, because the questions asked by the customers will be answered professionally by the AI, and will also solve all the problems if the customers have, and also will update any requirements that the customers have. For example, updating the change of address and the quantity of the items, and any other things that the customer usually wants. So, and the last thing is all these data will be stored in Airtable, which is more efficient. Uh, for me, and you can also store this in Google Sheets or any other platforms uh, based on your needs. So yeah, I have used Airtable in here, and all the scenarios will be done through make.com. So I'll be showing that as well. So the first step I'm gonna go is with the website. So I made a website using bolt.new. So you can make any website using that. So it is much easier to make a demo website using a free plan. So you just have to make prompts out of just make some prompts, the needs of your like based on your needs, and then based on that they will make a website for you. So I will show that. So in the website, if the customer orders an item, the customer have to give this information. Basically the name, the number and address, delivery address, and also I added the email address as well and the quantity of the item. And after that, this will go to here. The Airtable will collect all the data from the website and stored in here and stated as out of stock. And when the admin basically um, changes the out of stock item into available or in stock, this will trigger the make.com automation. And when it gets triggered, the modules on the make.com scenario will started to run, and then after that the whole thing will started to run. I will show you that. So when the trigger hits, the informations will get stored in the Airtable, and then uh, a call will run. And I have used VAPI for the AI voice assistant. So in the VAPI, the call will start running, and automatically a call will go to the customer's phone, and with the variables that the customer used in the order section, the VAPI will take those as the variables, and then based on that, AI will ask questions and confirm the order, basically. And after that, uh, the whole call summary will send to another scenario of make.com, and where it will update the informations that the customer mainly changes, or if it doesn't change, then we'll just set that data on the Airtable, basically. So this was a short explanation on how the scenarios will work, the instructions. So based on this, the first step was the website. So I'm going to start with the website first. So this is bolt.new. I have made this website for this demo version by using prompts, saying the prompts here. So they made it for me. This is a free version. So yeah, and in this website I used 5 items for the example. So if I want to pre-order an item which is an wooden dining table, so for here are the like the informations the website needs. So I will put this informations, pass in, and the email is a random email, and number is example, video art, and the quantity is 2. So this is the informations that the mainly needed for the pre-order. And when I submit this, this will be collected and in the website, and here is the scenario that will run when I trigger uh, by giving the item available. So I'm gonna just run this, the new values. So So here I said this will be collected in the Airtable, and when the admin uh, basically changes the status of the out of stock item to in stock, which is available, so this will trigger the make.com automation. So I will see that. So this was the item, right? Out of stock. So if I state this as in stock, this will trigger the make.com. See, it doesn't run because I did not used a valid number, because my number was like an example. Wait, the number was, yeah, this was the number, so it was an invalid number, so that's why it didn't run. So this was for an example. So I will show you the webhook basically used in this website as a trigger. So here, as when the trigger hits, it came with the informations that is needed that I put when I pre-ordered the item. So this is the name, this is the email, number, address, quantity, and the item name is this, and the status was on and now in stock. So this, and Airtable, in the Airtable, here is the all data of the pre-ordered item the customer that used in the website. So this is the data. So everything ran perfectly, even the tools. And I'm going to explain now why I use these tools and how you can make this scenario. So as I have already stated, why I use this webhook basically to trigger the scenario, and then I basically use these values as a data to just store it in Airtable. So I use this Airtable module here, and just in the records I just use this values here like this, and the status I can even use this status as well, but I don't need that. Basically it depends on you. So yeah, I did not use the VAPI module because you cannot add the variables. So for that, I use this tool to set multiple variables, and in the variables, I use the customer name, the customer number. So because of that, I did not use that VAPI module, because I cannot use that much of variables and extra variables mainly. So instead of that, I use this tool to set multiple variables. And here you can see I have set the variables customer name, number, item name, address, quantity, and also the API key of the VAPI, and then assistant ID of the VAPI, and the number ID of the VAPI, and also the email address of the customer. Here I can use here. So this total, all this for the customer, and this is for the VAPI, this three. So this is how you can set this up. And after that, why I use this JSON module. So here I use this create JSON module because basically I basically use all these variables as a bundle, and will send to the HTTP module of the VAPI to make a call. So this whole variables will act as a JSON string and send it to the variable here, JSON string. So this, why I use the HTTP module to make a call, because as I already said that I cannot use extra variables in the VAPI module. So I use this. I use the URL of the VAPI and then set this as a post, and the authorization. Here I put the VAPI API key, and then this JSON format. I am posting this whole scenarios in my Resource Hub. You can download this from there, so you don't have to like make it by yourself. But if you want to understand this is a format of the VAPI mainly to run the call. So first you have to set the assistant ID and then assistant overrides for the variables to be taken. Here the JSON string, this whole informations like whole variables will be set as JSON string. So this is the variables of the customers, that the customers informations basically, and this is the number of yours that will be used to call, and this is the number ID of your number. So this is overall the scenario, and this is how it will call the customers as an outbound caller. So this is the scenario where the summary of the whole conversation will be sent using this webhook. So I will show you an example of the whole conversation and how the summary basically transfers and how it gets triggered. So if I go here, and this is the VAPI module. Here, basically, this is the VAPI. I use this for making this AI voice caller. You can easily make an assistant by just using a prompt here, and then first message over here, and also select a model. I used GPT-4o Mini. I didn't use any knowledge base because this is a demo, so I don't. It doesn't have to be that perfect. So yeah, I made this prompt basically, uh, and the main thing is how you can transfer all this summary to the make.com, right? So here is the thing. This is the webhook, basically the make.com webhook. I basically use this from here. I copied this address from here and then just paste it over here. Because of this URL, summary of the whole conversation gets transferred to the make.com, and yeah, you just have to put this for the transcript and nothing else, and just make this prompt, and yeah, and select a model. So by this, you can just make a assistant. Now I'm gonna call this assistant. So to show you how I get the summary of the whole conversation here. So basically, I just have to run this, and this is waiting for the trigger for the trigger to hit. So here I will call the assistant, and before calling, as this is the VAPI application, it does not have the variables that the customer will provide, because the customer is providing all the variables, the name and the address, all the variables in the website basically, and from there the make.com by using all the modules, I am sending the variables through JSON format to the HTTP module of VAPI. From there, the AI is getting the variables, right? So I am calling this directly from the application, so it will not get all the variables. So it will just ask something random, just as it is prompt. So this was the call, and I will be waiting for the summary to, yeah, this is how just the whole thing basically works. So this is the summary of the whole call. Yeah, this is the summary and the assistant and other informations that you need. So, and this is, I use a ChatGPT, meaning an OpenAI module, to summarize the whole, basically analyze the whole summary and then find out the key points. The key points are the email, the item name, the quantity, and the address. So those are the key points. So the OpenAI module will basically collect those informations and and set that as a JSON format like this. And by this, I used a JSON module to basically take this result and make this as a bundle. This whole information, like this whole thing here, the result will be taken and then make this as a bundle. So this will help the Airtable to basically take the results one by one and then update as a record, basically here, the records. Customer name is Dustin, the number, and the item name, and this. Yeah. So this is almost done. I just have to explain this, what I did here. I set this as a system developer and Photo Mini, GPT Photo Mini, and basically I use this as a prompt. The role is to see to analyze the whole conversation and then see where is email address and then home address and then quantity and and the fourth number is if the customer confirms the order, then it will set here status as confirmed. If the customer mainly cancels the order, then it will set this answer as cancel. So yeah, so this is the status basically. So this is how I basically use this prompt to guide this OpenAI module to see where is the key informations and then take that and used over here in a JSON format. Email for the email address, home address, and the quantity and the status as confirmed and cancelled. So yeah, and small note at the end to mainly make the OpenAI understand what his job is basically. So in the second message, this is the user. So where this is the here is the transcript. In the message here is a whole conversation between me and the AI. So this is the thing that is mainly sent to the OpenAI module to analyze this and then find out the key points. And after that, the OpenAI will make a JSON format from there, the quantity and the addresses. After that, this module will make a JSON string out of that in a bundle. This is the bundle and the values. And from here, it will send this to the Airtable, and the Airtable is mainly will search the row by the pre-order ID. This pre-order ID mainly uh, set by wait this is the ID basically a random ID. It will basically generate one by one based on the items like how many orders came. So it will generate on that way. So it will understand by the pre-order ID. Yeah, and after that it will just update the records if any records are changed basically. If the home address is changed, then it will update the new value with the older one, and same goes with the other values. So yeah, this is the whole process, mainly whole scenario on how you can make this AI voice assistant for your business. So this is how you can make an AI voice caller for your business and bring more leverage and efficiency to your business and save more time. I'll be making more AI voice caller assistants and automation solutions. So if you have any questions regarding this whole scenario, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. I appreciate your watching. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Tata.